To troubleshoot and fix the Frigidaire electric dryer error code AD, which appears when the auto dry option is selected, it's essential to understand the common causes of this issue. The error code AD typically indicates that the dryer is experiencing functionality problems, has a faulty heating element, or a defective blower assembly. To resolve this issue, the first step is to reset the dryer. Switch it off, unplug it, plug it back in, and power it up while holding down the start or pause button for 5 seconds, which will trigger a beep and a display indicating the reset is complete. Next, inspect the heating element by powering off the dryer, unplugging it, removing the lint filter, and unscrewing its cover. Locate the heating element, a coiled wire at the rear of the dryer, and use a multimeter to test for continuity. If there's no continuity, installing a new heating element is necessary. After obtaining a new element, install it and reassemble the dryer. If the issue persists, replace the blower assembly by powering off and unplugging the dryer, removing the lint screen, and taking out the front panel screws to lift it. Then, remove the blower housing screws. Extract the housing, and take out the blower wheel. Install a new blower wheel. Reassemble the blower components, and reinstall them in the dryer. Finally, screw the blower housing and front panel back in place and plug the dryer back in. By following these steps, the error code AD should be resolved, and the dryer should function properly again.